solving logarithmic equations. The objectives today is students will be able to write logarithmic equations into exponential form, evaluate logarithmic equations, and find the definition of logarithms. Alright, so we'll start off by writing logarithmic equations into exponential form. Our equation will be log base 125. This is a base, people. And 25 is the exponent equals 2/3. Now, to make this into exponential form, all we have to do is rewrite this into 125 to the 2/3 power equals 25. That's it for writing logarithmic equations into exponential form. Now, we are on to evaluating if this thing will move. We're going to evaluate the equation of x equals log base 8 1/64. 1/64. Now we would do the same thing as evaluating the exponential first. So we'll make this to 8 to the x power equals 1/64 over 64. Now this is the same as saying 8 over to the x power equals 64 to the negative first power. Then it's simple. This keeps on going. 8x equals 8 squared to the negative first power outside of the little parentheses I have set up. Like that, guys? Huh? No? Okay. Alright. So from there, we can just bring that negative exponent in, and we got 8x to the x power equals 8 to the negative second power. We could just cancel out the 8's, and we got x equals -2. Parentheses. Moving on. You guys got it? Yeah? Okay. I love you guys. Now, we are going to define the definition of a logarithm. So, our equation is going to be log base p 120, I'm writing 3, 25 to the 1/3 power equals 1/2. We're going to do the same thing and convert this into p to the 1/2 equals 125 to the 1/3 power. Yay! This is the same as saying equals 125 to the cubed root. And if we go even further, that equals 5. So now we got p to the 1/2 power equals 5. Now we want to get rid of the 1/2. So what do? We square each side. So we're going to square u and square u. Now we got p equals 25. And that is all, folks. I hope you had a good time and learned about how to calculate and solve logarithmic equations. Sayonara.